The K-60SP is a compact, powerful, easy-to-carry drain cleaning machine ideal for sink and floor drain lines, and even for roof stack and vents. The rear handle makes it easy for carrying up ladders for roof work. Weighing in at just 18.6 kilograms, K-60SP takes up little space in your service van and is small enough to fit into cramped spaces. The K-60SP has a rear guide hose that prevents cable whipping and possible entanglement. It offers a reliable power that cleans clogged drain lines from 1 1/4 to 4-inch diameters. A toggle switch provides forward, off, and reverse control of the motor. The rotation of the cable is controlled by a clutch handle that makes it safe, easy to use, and maximizes operator control. The K-60SP literally drills through obstructions with its powerful 230 volts motor spins cable at a speed of 600 RPM. Depending on the choice of the cable, it can be operated with both 5/8" and 7/8" sectional cables that you can choose from 125 feet or 150 feet long, giving you greater line cleaning capability. Clean drains effectively, completely, and with absolute confidence. Backed by RIDGID full lifetime warranty against material defects and workmanship.